How to make money online for beginners in 2022. There are multiple ways to make a lot of money online with different methods. But before we start, you must consider it as a business. The best way to make money online is by selling your products, which can be digital products like ebooks or online courses. And the best places to sell these products are udemy.com, which has over 113 million monthly visits. The second place is teachable.com, which has over 18 million monthly visits. The third website is skillshare.com, which has over 10 million monthly visits. The fourth one is thinkfic.com, which has also about 10 million monthly visits. And the last one is kajabi.com, which has over 4 million monthly visits. You can also make money by offering a service and selling it on multiple platforms such as fiverr.com, upwork.com, which gets over 50 million visits per month, freelancer.com, and peopleperhour.com. Another way for selling your products includes designing a t-shirt with simply putting a text or logo on a t-shirt and selling them on different platforms such as Etsy.com, which gets over 450 million visits per month, which also you can sell other products like mugs and stickers. The second website is redbubble.com, which gets over 30 million visits per month, and it's similar to Etsy.com. The third website is zazzle.com, which gets over 18 million visits per month. The fourth website is printful.com, which gets over 4 million visits per month. And the fifth website is teespring.com, which gets over 4 million visits per month. You can also sell physical products, and the best website or places to sell them are amazon.com, which gets over 2.5 billion visits per month, ebay.com, which gets over 750 million visits per month, Etsy.com, which gets over 450 million visits per month, and Shopify.com, which gets over 58 million visits per month. Or you can promote other people's products and make money, which is called affiliate marketing. For example, you have a seller which has a product and wants to sell this product to a customer. You will get a commission which can start at 3% and reach 30%, and the best places for affiliate marketing are shareasale.com, which gets over 6 million visits per month, clickbank.com, which gets over 3 million visits per month, cpagrip.com, which gets over 1.5 million visits per month. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to succeed in each platform and how to compete with other competitors and make money. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.